y'all? So today's video is going to be another sponsored video by Born Pretty. They was nice enough to send your girl over some more gel nail polish, but this time I will be trying out their jelly gel polishes for the first time. Now this jelly gel polish set is a set of 6 different shades of pink. So if you girls are a fan of pink colors, or if your favorite color is pink, I would say this would be a set that you guys should go ahead and snag up. So if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like button as well as hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so when I do drop another video, you guys won't miss it. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump into this nail swatch. So when you do take your contents out the box, pretty much it comes with a manual. This manual tells you how to prep your nails as well as how to do a gel set. So as you guys can see, this set comes with 7 milliliters of gel polish. So I'm going to start my way from left to right and we're going to swatch. So this first color is 01. I like to make sure I roll all of my polishes around. For the swatches, I am going to do 2 coats, 3 coats, 2 coats, 3 coats, 2 coats, 3 coats. Then for the top coat, I'm just going to do like a top coat, a matte coat, top coat, matte coat, top coat, matte coat. So you guys can get an idea of how the polishes look. This is how this color looks. I really like this color. I can't wait to see what the rest of the colors look like. So the second color is color number 2. After adding the matte top coat, this is how this color turned out. So this next color is the color number 3, and this is how this color looked. So this is how the polish look after I add the top coat. I really love this pretty glitter color. So the next polish is polish number 4. Matter of fact, I'll do 2 coats of this polish and I'm gonna do a regular top coat, because this polish is so pretty. So after 2 coats and a top coat, this is how pink color number 4 looks. So now this is color number 5, and this is how color number 5 looks. So after 3 coats and a matte top coat, this is how color number 5 turned out. I really like this color. It really reminds me of like a baby shower pink. Last but not least, we have color number 6. This is how this color looks. This is how color number 6 turned out. So guys, this is the final look of how each swatch turned out. Honestly guys, I'm really feeling all the pinks. Now, I am not a pink girly at all, but I'm really feeling these colors, especially color number 3, I really like. And also color number 4 and 5, I also like. Those are my top 3 colors. I can't wait to try these colors out when I get my nails done. When I do get my nails done, I will be choosing between color 3, 4, and 5. Anytime I use Born Pretty gel nail polish, the nail polish goes on easy. It's not a strong smell. And that's what I really like about this company. Anytime I get my feet or my nails done using Born Pretty gel polish, technically that is the only polish that I really use. I don't experience any chipping or any peeling or anything. I literally can go on vacation and I still have my polish on my nails, on my feet. So if you guys are looking for a budget friendly jelly nail polish and this is your first time trying jelly gel polish, I would suggest give Born Pretty a try. I will leave all the links down below in the description box, and this product will also be in my Amazon storefront. So if you guys enjoy this nail swatch video, don't forget to hit that like button as well as hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so when I do upload another nail swatch, you guys won't miss it. I hope you guys stay safe and be blessed, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.